strokes.
And away they go. It's a really good start from Max Biaggi in the grid, and he just shows the power of the four-stroke, and it's himself and Torakawa who lead going into the first corner. Valentino Rossi is pushed wide by that group of those 500cc lines. But Williams had a good start. He goes up into sixth and goes past Valentino Rossi.
First blood to the four strokes. Aleixespargaro, Olivia Jacko well patient. Jeremy McWilliams, not such a good start by the championship leader Valentino Rossi.
Yeah, this is power lead. They go blood down the hill. Barros is past Biaggi though, and Aleixespargaro in this tight twist, he set the advantage on that 500cc.
As you say, good start by Jeremy McWilliams. That's some good rides here in the 250cc championship. He's going well on the proton machine.
You can just see all those flicks over and the change of pace. That's why we expect the order, but it's a power leading from Barros.
Yeah, difficult uphill left-hander, and the comparison short. Valentino Rossi not getting left, but won't like being that far down around this circuit where it's difficult to overtake. He's got to start making a move. He's going to carry on those winning ways.
Yeah, Carlos trying to just spread things out, isn't he, at the front, and tech free.
Certainly working. Barros now right behind the car, but Barros may make a move at the bottom. Here he has. The Brazilian's gone on the inside of the Japanese Honda rider, not able to get through. Four-stroke versus two-stroke, and the two-stroke, well, listen to that sound. We may not hear it for a lot longer. Alex Barros wants to go out with a bang on the 500cc Honda.
So across the start-finish line, 2 laps down, fastest man on the circuit is Alex Barros. That's that red helmet next to his name. And so he is gradually putting the pressure on Torakawa. Meanwhile, Jeremy Williams up on the inside of Max Biaggi. And they look like Kato also got through there, did he? No, well, he didn't. Kato's now in behind Valentino Rossi. It's Laurie Carme. It's hard for the two-strokes to go past the four-strokes in a straight line as well, isn't it? They just have to do all the work in the twisty fast.
They do. But when you plunge that right, left-hander at the bottom is at the bottom end of the circuit. You've got to say, Barros is very, very close indeed now. Barros sizing up to Torakawa. Olivier Jacques still running well in third place after qualifying in Junior Nakano behind him.
They're not losing touch though, are they?
No, they're not. Now, this is where they close down the hill. Barros may have a little sneak up the inside here. No, not able to get through. And it's a little short stretch. There's a very difficult uphill left-hander that brings it back in the start of the stretch. He may have a little nibble there, or perhaps at turn one.
Yeah, that's if you get in the draft, and usually you'd expect that the RC2 needs to just blast away. Now we'll see. But Williams, triple. Just able to throw it back up deeper into the corner. Obviously has a lot more control over it. Engine braking still not perfect on that Yamaha M1. Nor is it on the RC2 MV, although Valentino Rossi doesn't seem to have had too many.
Williams is doing an amazing job against Valentino Rossi, but I'm afraid 990 four-stroke against 500cc, 60 miles an hour. Is he close enough this time? Here he comes. No, he's not. Rossi and Abe was having a very good battle.
And it really just shows that down the straight, you know, the four-strokes have the edge. Here comes Jacques, with a bit of clear track in front of him. Course to seal another championship victory this year. It's still a long way to go. Still another 7 rounds after this one. But still, you'd think it's pretty much in the bag. Here comes Barros. Oh, that's a way to pass through the back right.
Well, what a move by Alex Barros on Olivier Jacques. That coming in for a check. Valentino Rossi got up the in. Starts to come into fourth. Fast left-hander at the top, and that very fast right-hand swing down the hill.
And here comes Rossi as well. The forward press going down into top 10, 11. Oh, he's Barros from Jacques.
All the hearts of enthusiasm. Alex Barros right across the front there of Olivier Jacques as Rossi moves into third place. He loves overtaking there, Rossi doesn't at the bottom of the hill.
Stalking his Bray over. He's now throwing a camera. 2 spots on Bray on the camera. Hopefully it won't be too much. You see there's still some watery sunshine out there down the straight. Pretty level. The camera takes the inside line, and that's what he needs to see. But Philip Island could be another one where we see a race like this, where it
just hasn't happened, but it's happening here in Germany. The sun's come out. We have got one hell of a race on our hands, and even Olivier Jacques on this Alex Barros again. There's Alex Barros, all those Grand Prix over his time. Olivier Jacques, 250cc world champion. They're not going to succumb easily. He's not going to get past the back. Have done easier earlier in the race.
You can see how the Yamaha, that's one of the Suzuki, sorry, it's Hiro Kato, alongside Yukio Kagiyama. Oh, there's no bad look there, you can see, it looks to me like Jim now just turned them both out, didn't he? Tries to run it up on the inside, and Jim now got through Hiro Kagiyama, tries to run it up on the inside, tries to run it up. When you see it, this is a powerful Jack on the inside, Jack. You see some back and forth like that. Yeah, we have 3 of these. Look at Max Biaggi in fourth. I see it from here, Rossi. He's dominated the championship so far. New four-stroke champion. Biaggi comes up alongside there. Absolutely side by side. Just show him taking time off and have a little wave there. Rossi. He let Max Biaggi go past.
Turn that like that. This is one. It's absolutely fabulous. Rossi and Biaggi almost side by side. Rossi just hopefully might get the bottom there.
Was he waiting through? He didn't let him leave him alone. Rossi. Through he goes to turn 11 legs. It's on board the Proton KR.
Here comes Rossi once again, trying to get the inside of it.
It's happening.
Valentino Rossi once again, he doesn't really know where to go here, well, he doesn't know where to go, but he sized them up in every angle and every particular position, and he hasn't been able to get through. Perhaps he'll try something different somewhere else. Probably not something. Rossi comes up the inside of the big jack. As Rossi taking over the second place, he has Rossi going through. Pedrosa put his car up. Back down. Right on ball, that's Valentino Rossi. Throwing his something as they come out the right, runs down there.
This is that 5 to 6 here. Here comes Valentino Rossi, just as he said. So of course problems Valentino Rossi. Look how he pulls away down the straight. Now on the brakes.
This is where it's going to happen. It's going to happen. This is where you've got to. This is the early part of the new circuit that's built. Very tight, very quickly. A lot of people find it's going to go for the L500.
Take it over. One of the fastest corners on the side.
It clubs down there right on the power against the course stroke.
236, and here comes Jack. Now through on both. Settle that up, he looked good. And he's through on it.
Olivia Jack's Yamaha. Now, can Jack
in a race? It's a whole different ballgame.
Here they come once again, and again Jack very, very close again. Bottom end of this all over his rear once again, very, very quickly. Or he's really going to do something marquez now, he said.
Well, here we go, though.
Perhaps he's going to do it just now. Just do it. That tells you right over to you, expect with these nimble parts of the